create the roof system, what I have to do is that I have to go in the under the project browser. I have to go to the roof level. So I'm double click on this and I will be in the roof level, and I go to the architecture tab and find the roof system. If I open up this drop down menu, you see that I have a multiple option in order to create a roof or adding some sort of a detail to my roof system. Right now we're going to work on the roof by footprint. For the next assignment we're going to work on the roof by extrusion. But for now we're just going to use the roof by footprint, and that's bring up this like a comment of like a different specification for that roof system. Under the draw tab I have this peak wall option. And so in order to create my roof system, first of all I have to set the overhang for the roof system that I want to have. So basically I'm going to use that one as a 14 inches, and I'm going to go to this properties, and I'm going to choose the wood rafter 8 inches as my roof system. Since the slope is going to be started from here and it's going to be somewhere in the center, these two sides going to be defining my slope. This side and this side is not going to define my slope. So what I'm going to do is that I'm going to keep this defined slope. I'm going to select this, picking this wall, and I'm going to change the slope from 9 inch over 12, change it to 7 over 12. I'm going to do the same thing on the other side as well. I'm going to select this wall, and I'm going to change this 7 over 12. If this wall system is actually not in, if the roof boundaries is not in the right place, you can always click on the flip and then adjust it. Right now it's outside, but if at any time it's not in the right place, you can click on the flip and that basically adjusts it. The other way that you can do it is basically actually it doesn't work on this one, but for the door system is basically pressing space. Now for these two walls, I know that they are not defining the slope. Basically the slope is from here to here, and it's going to be somewhere in between. These two sides going to be reach to each other in the center. So I'm going to uncheck the define the slope, and I'm going to go select this wall and this wall. As you can see, the amounts of slope is not appear in this two side. And when I'm done, I'm going to go and then pressing accepting this basically drawing, and finish that. So let's go over and check and see what we are seeing in the 3D view. Basically, if I pressing shift and pressing the scroll bar, you can see that my building actually this slope roof is kind of in a very nice place. This is my north side and this is my south side, and the slope is started from the east and west, the west and east, and is meeting on the center. The only problem that I have is that my wall system in the east and west is attached to the roof. Kinda, it's not still, you can see. So all the wall is kind of not attached to this roof system. What I have to do is that under the 3D view, I will select this wall system and I will attach them top to base. So I'm going to click on attach, and I'm going to choose the roof system, and that basically attaching all those wall assembly to the roof system. So as you see, I create my roof under the floor plan and roof, and all of a sudden, even in the 3D view, is basically that object basically created. Let's check it on the east and west elevation. You can see that I have my wall system, I have my floor system, and I have also my roof system. Let's look at the north side. As you can see, everything looks very fine, except that this one is a little bit closer, so I'm going to select this one and then grab it and move it, push it outside my drawing.